Fergus makes managing job hazards simple and efficient for your team, whether you're on the go with the mobile app or at your desk. Let's explore how to manage hazards using the Fergus Go app. To get started, open the job card and scroll down to the Tools section. Tap Hazards to begin. At the top of the Hazards page, you'll see the option to mark the job as hazard-free. Tap Mark as hazard-free if no hazards exist. Need to undo it? Just tap Mark job as no longer hazard-free. Now, let's add a hazard. Tap the Add button in the bottom right corner. You can either create a hazard from scratch or use a pre-made template. You can create hazard templates in the Health and Safety section on the Fergus desktop. If you're adding a hazard from scratch, simply fill in the required details and tap Save in the top right corner. If you're using a template, tap Select Template, choose the one you need, and adjust the details as necessary. You can also attach relevant photos at this stage. Once ready, tap Save in the top right corner. This hazard will now sit in the overall job hazards page and will have a status of not mitigated. To mitigate the hazard, open the hazard and scroll to the bottom. Tap Mitigate Hazard to proceed. On the mitigation screen, choose the mitigation type, specify who it applies to, add a description, and upload photos if needed. When finished, tap Save twice, once on the mitigation screen and again on the hazard details page after confirming all the details are correct. You can also delete the hazard by clicking back into it, scrolling to the bottom and tapping Delete. And that's it! Fergus ensures you can efficiently record, track and manage hazards for every job.